Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fine. I hope you are doing great wherever you are watching this video from. In this episode, I've brought together beautiful, stunning, and super classy Ankara, Euro, and buba styles for my classy and amazing ladies. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about these styles. Are you a lover of Ankara, Euro, and buba styles? Feel free to share with me in the comment section down below, and I will be super excited. I'll be super glad to reply your beautiful comments. If you enjoy watching this video, do want to give it a thumbs up and share the video with others so they get to see these beautiful styles compiled for you. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Prestige More Fashion, where you get updated on the latest and trending fashion styles. You also get to see amazing hairstyles collection on this channel. If these are the kinds of videos that you enjoy and love watching, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bells so as to get notified when I upload a new video on the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do appreciate you, and I'll see you all in another beautiful, exciting, and interesting episode on the channel. Always remember to stay glued, stay connected to this channel for more beautiful styles coming your way. Do have a lovely day and stay safe wherever you are. Bye.